Good morning, students. In last lecture of magnetism, I already explained the first give reason on the page number 122 D part. First, now we go for the second one. Go for the second one, student. A magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. First two not included in your syllabus, but this is for your knowledge only, students. Yes, magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Why? What is the reason behind this, student? Because if there would be an intersection between the magnetic field, if there would be the intersection between the magnetic field, then there would be the two tangent would represent the two different direction or distances, but it is not possible. Practically, to donate the two direction at same time, not possible. Yes, student. How? For example, this is the magnet only, students. North pole, south pole. Outside the magnetic field move from north to south. Always. Inside, south to north. Inside, south to north, student. So these two lines not intersect, parallel always. If intersect, keep in mind, if you want to find out the direction of magnetic lines of forces, you always draw the tangent. You always draw the tangent. For example, this line is there only. Here you want to find tangent, you draw. If two lines intersect, same point is there. This direction also. So it is not possible at one point two direction. What is the tangent actually? Circle, for example, or at one line when touch at the one point, that is called tangent. That is called tangent, students. On one point, two direction of magnetic field is not possible. Not possible. Same here, repeated here. See there. See there, student. Intersection between magnetic field of lines, there would be the two tangent. Represent the two direction. That is not possible. Not possible, students. Yes. Now come on the third one. Third, fourth, fifth. Give reason in your syllabus. Included in your syllabus, student. Suspended bar magnet always points toward the north and south direction. I already told to you. If you suspend the bar magnet on the thread, it always toward the geographic north direction. This is the geographic south. Toward geographic south. Yes. What is the reason behind this? Yes, because of the magnetism of the earth, it is assumed that a huge bar magnet placed at the center of the earth. Already explained to you. For example, this is the earth. This is the axis. This is the axis of earth on which it rotate. Little bit tilted. This is the this part is the north, south, west, east. So this is the geographic north. This is the geographic south. Earth also act as a huge magnet due to current is there produced due to lava, different pressure, high pressure. This direction is toward up one direction is the south and this is the north. If you suspend the bar magnet, so north toward south and south toward north. This is due to earth act as a huge magnet. So that's why geographic north toward geographic north, south toward geographic south. Placed at the center of the earth causes the freely suspended magnet to align in the directions of the north and the south pole. Geographic north and geographic south pole. Yes. Magnetic force is not a contact force. What is the reason behind it? Magnetic force is not a contact force. It not require. For example, two magnet. You hang one magnet on the thread. When you bring the magnet near here, north pole, repel each other, move away. Not required to touch. Not required to touch. Because magnetic field from there link with there. That's why repulsion is there. You know, same pole, like pole repel each other and opposite pole attract each other, students. Yes, now you see, what is the reason behind this? Because they pull or push the object without touching them. Not required to touch, pull and push. Magnets are only attracted to a few magnetic metals. And not all the metals. Magnet not attract the few things only, iron, nickel, cobalt, like this. Not attract the wood, few metals only. Magnets are attracted to and repel the other magnets also. But it is not required to touch each other because their magnetic lines spread everywhere. You know, for example, you take North Pole. This is the magnet, student. So magnetic lines cover the lot of distance. Up to there, this lot of distance is there. That is called magnetic field around them. If any pole come in this field, feel repulsion or attraction. Repulsion or attraction. Keep in mind. This is the reason behind the magnetic force is not a contact force. I am again explaining. Magnetic lines do not intersect each other because at one point two tangents, two direction not possible. Second one, suspended bar magnet always pointed toward the north to south pole direction because of the earth has act as a huge magnet. Third, magnetic force is not a contact force because their magnetic lines cover the distance, a lot of distance. So this is the reason behind, student. In next lecture we discuss the next questions. Thank you.